everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe for more Scentsy content. In this video, I would like to unbox the Under Wraps Warmer of the month for September for Scentsy. So this is what the box looks like. And I have already unboxed everything and cleaned everything off because of the pandemic. So here it is. Okay, it is so adorable. It's a mummy. And I love his snaggle tooth. Look, it's so cute. And then his eyes are green and it matches the green dish inside. And it's got like this blue grout throughout. And it just really makes his mummy wrappings pop. Let me give you some more information on this. So this warmer is typically a $40 warmer, okay? But since it is the warmer of the month, Scentsy gives you 10% off. So every month, Scentsy releases a new warmer and a new wax bar and gives you 10% off while supplies last for that month. So this is a 25-watt bulb warmer. It's 6 inches tall. It says, with his big green eyes and toothy grin, this little mummy is so cute, it's scary. And he is like, he's adorable. I went back and forth on this. Like, I wasn't sure if I was going to order him. But, he is like the cutest, he has like the cutest, ugliest face I've ever seen. He's so cute, you guys. And then, so he has his 25-watt bulb and a stand here. So you just literally sit him on top. And then you've got a little notch here so that the cord fits in there so that your warmer lays flush against the surface. And I will turn this on for you. And that's how our friend looks lit. I will go ahead and insert a picture of him now. And then this collection also features an Under Wraps mini warmer, normally $20, but it's $18 this month because it's 20% off. And it takes a 15-watt bulb, so if you would rather have a mini warmer to buy a table stand for, or if you want to use it as a plug-in, you can do that. And then the scent of the month is called Ghostly Greetings. And it is like this plum-colored wax. The scent notes are spooky black plum, spiced berry, and a dash of bourbon are brewed in a cauldron and ready to beckon you in. And this, you get the plum and the berry, but you also get that splash of bourbon. So if that sounds appealing to you, the Scentsy bar of the month, Ghostly Greetings, is also 10% off. So it's $5.40 this month. Or you can always bundle and save too. You buy 5 bars and you get 1 free for $30. So, thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.